Hi, in this video we'll be working on Tableau. So this is the first interface that you see on Tableau after you have imported the data from an Excel file. I use an Excel file, and in my previous video I showed you that there are a lot of other options. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a map visual in Tableau. Compared to Power BI, the map visual in Tableau and the detailing that you get with the map visual inside Tableau is much more specific and much more detailed, so that you have a so that the output of the map looks quite brilliant compared to what Power BI can do in the map. So what I'll do is drag my states, and one second. Yeah, so I drag my states. So now since I drag my states, I should be able to look at my states, right? So why can't I see them? So the simple reason being that I am currently in India, and Tableau knows where I am because I've registered from India. So it's trying to search for the states of America in India. So simple change that you need to make: go to the maps option right here, edit location, and you see that it's searching for India. It's searching for all these states: Wisconsin, West Virginia, Washington, Arizona in India. It's not possible to find that. So you click from, sorry, yeah, one second. You click on category and you choose United States, and you click on OK. And now that it's found all of them, one second, where is United States? Yeah, right here. So like you had the bubbles option in Power BI, these are bubbles too, and you can increase the size by clicking on the size label. So this is your formatting tab right here. I'm going to increase the size to let's keep it that way. But right now, like in Power BI and even in Tableau, the size of the bubble is the same. So what do? So in Power BI, you had the option of dragging the cells in your value under the formatting options, and then all your bubbles were adjusted according to the sales value. But now you see in Power BI the fields are divided into two. So the dimensions are the texts basically, and the measures are the amounts. So I want to see all my bubbles according to my sales. I'll click on my sales, I'll drag it, and I'll drop it on size. So now you see, and now I can increase the size as well so that it's more clear. So now you see the size of each bubble has changed, and now I want to see different colors. But colors according to what? So what I'll do is I'll drag my region and I'll have that in my colors. So my different regions will be colored differently. I can have my segments in my region colored as well, so my segments can be colored differently, but then I'll have to take out. So within each state, one second, my segment and my colors. Yeah, so in Indiana we have the corporate as well as the one second. So in Indiana we have the corporate as well as the consumer segment. We don't have that in all of the states. So instead of having my segment, it's better to have my region in color. And this is how you create a map visual in Power BI. Now if you want this according to your segments, you want to see them according to segments, I'll go and drag my segments into my rows, and you have this is the consumer segment. One second, I'll expand this. This is the consumer, this is the corporate, and this is the home office. You can zoom in, zoom out on all of them. You can have this segment column, segment field over here as well. This looks better. I'll decrease the size a bit, it's too big for us. Yes, and you have the regions divided into color, and you have the different segments. You want to go full screen, you can do that, just to have a look at the visual. So this is how the map visual looks in Tableau, and trust me, this is a really beautiful visual. You have a lot of other options to explore, so keep practicing, and I hope you learned something new today.